Hi guys, this is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection. Just want to show you how you can make your repair request list in less than 3 minutes. So here we are. This is a sample one we've created. You can see how easy this is. You can still click on the photos, see exactly what we're looking at. Enter your repair request item there. You can also include pricing. This roof, for example, needs a new roof. So we're asking for a $10,000 credit. So let's show you how we can create this list. Okay, so here we are back at the cover page of the report. To make our repair request list, we're going to go up to the right hand corner here, drop down menu there, repair request builder. Every item we found on the report can be found in this section. In this case, we're going to just add only the safety items, and we're going to request each of these items. So here we are, we've checked this one. I've actually gone in here. You can hit this button here to automatically input repair requested. Come down here, here's where we clicked here to add the roof. Go ahead and do it. And here's our credit. We're asking for $10,000 credit. We're going to skip that one. We'll ask them to repair this leak, so we'll hit this check here. And here we're going to click our comment and repair requested. Another leak here found. Again, comment repair requested, and so on. Now when we're ready, we're going to go over here and hit preview. And now this is where we pull up the repair request list like we showed you. And here it is. In less than 2 minutes, you've just created your repair request, attach it to your response, and you can submit it from there. This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, trying to simplify your life. We hope we've done it here. We'll see you on the next one.